Okay, this is a very quick example on how um, of a suggested way to manually create a flight plan over say a river or a road with curves. So what we want to do is try to guarantee that the aircraft is going to pass over the river in this case while it's level, and avoid or try to make the turns outside of the target area. So for example, let's say we're gonna cover this small path which looks like an big S. So let's say we're gonna first place a waypoint here and then another here, and we're gonna adjust this waypoint so that the line goes over the river. Okay, we're gonna zoom in so we can grab this waypoint like this. Let's zoom out a bit. So here we're covering this portion over the river. Of course, you need to have a rather good altitude so you can have plenty of room for error in terms of the footprint of the images. So let's say next we can cover this small portion here. So what I will do is just place another waypoint like this way, like that. So in this section, the aircraft is gonna hit waypoint 2 and is gonna have all this time to come to waypoint 3, and is gonna also have enough time to get into the line so that when it passes over the river, it's gonna be nice and straight and level. Same thing here. I want to give it enough time so when it's out from the river, it's gonna have plenty of time to turn. Again, we're gonna do this again in this segment. Put basically a line here. So it's gonna be waypoint 5 and 6. So the aircraft again is gonna turn after waypoint 4. It's gonna try to follow this line. It's gonna turn here, and it's gonna get back into the line probably here. And when it passes over the river, it's gonna be pretty much level. So that's one of the ways, suggested ways in order to manually create a flight plan over a lengthy curvy road or river. Of course, if the segments of the target are a little straight, is going to be much easier to cover.